Hello my dear friend, welcome to another video. In this video I'll show you step by step how you can recover your Instagram account easy, so easy. So follow this step by step and share this content. The first options that you need to go is out of your Instagram app. So close your Instagram app and we must to open any browser you using, okay? For example, in my case, I'll open the Google Chrome. I'll tap right here in Google Chrome, but you can open any browser. The second step is open your browser in Incognito tab, okay? Because when you start your browser in Incognito tab, your data won't be tracked. So press right here in new Incognito tab and okay. When you access this page like this way on any browser, for example, you can access the same page in your Safari, in your Mozilla Firefox. You need to click right here in search and go until the google.com, okay? When you access google.com in this page, you just need to write these options. Instagram support account. Write this, Instagram support account. It will show many options to you click. You will click in the Instagram Help Center. It is the first options, okay? Tap right here in Instagram Help Center and here it will show many options in your browser, okay? In these options, you need to tap right here in Hi, how can we help you? Tap in search and you must to write this. Oh, wait for a few seconds. Don't forget, please, if I help you with this tutorial, leave a like and please leave a comment down here. Oh, thank you, it works. And if this step by step doesn't work, comment the mark and the model of your phone and what happened, okay? Because here we bring all tutorials for you about your comments. Because of it, it's very important you subscribe at this channel. So you need to tap in search and write it. Recover my account. Recover my account. Tap right here and here Instagram will show you many options, okay? Now you can tap in the best options to you choose because each option is different for each person, okay? For example, if you lost access to email or phone number linked to Instagram account, you will tap right here. But the best options that I advise you to tap is scroll down until you find these options. I can't logging in. Tap right here in these options and it will show many options to you click. The second option is you click in recover your Instagram password, but you can tap in another options if you wish. It will depend what are you looking for, okay? But I'll tap in recover your Instagram password and okay, it will show many step by step to you do. But after you do that, scroll down until you find these options. If you're not able to reset your password this way, visit this page. It is a blue letter, okay? Tap right here in visit this page. It will show these options, continue in app, and you will click in cancel. If you wish, you can open the app, but I always choose cancel and Instagram will show this screen to you. You just need to tap in options. Why can't you get into your account? I forgot in my password. And next, when you tap right here, you just need to put all your configurations, all your data. And now it's done. The Instagram will send an email to you or Instagram will keep in touch with you. I hope I help you with this tutorial. Don't forget, if I helped you with this tutorial, leave a like and leave a comment down here. It will help a lot. For example, oh, thank you, it works. I hope I help you with this tutorial. Thank you, my dear friend. Until the next video and see ya!